Greetings folks, this is a very exciting day. I've finally got my hands on the new Phoenix 2400. Now this is a very recent release from Volantex and Banggood. This is the plug and play version, and you can think of this as sort of a combination of the Phoenix 2000 and the Ranger 2400. The wings, the horizontal stabilizer and the vertical stabilizer are exactly the same, interchangeable with the 2400. The fuselage is more like the Phoenix 2000 version 2. However, the wings won't fit on the Phoenix 2000 version 2 because they're the deeper wing chord, 23 centimetre root wing chord, same wing as the Ranger 2400, whereas the Phoenix 2000 is only 20 centimetres. One of my favourite thermal foamies is the Phoenix Evolution 2.6 metre. I have it set up permanently as the 2.6 metre, although it's swappable from 1600 to 2.6. And because it's set up as a swappable wing, there are some compromises in the mounting of the wing, I guess, or the joining of the wing. These wings are much bigger area, smooth whole way through, they're not joined halfway through, so much better wing, I think, more wing area. So let's open it up and have a look. So you can see the packaging, it's nicely packaged with bubble wrap and taped into position. Horizontal stabilizer, let's just check. That's identical to the Ranger 2400. Vertical stabilizer. Yes, that's identical to the Ranger 2400 as well. And the beautiful big powerful wings. Make absolutely sure there. Wing chord, root wing chord is 23 centimetres, so there you go. It is the same wing as the Ranger 2400. There we can see in the box we have the user manual. That's the manual that covers the Phoenix V2 and the 2400. Stickers, spars, prop and push rods, bit of foam, that's all that's in there, and the fuselage. So you can see we have the landing wheel there. You can take that bolt out and just remove the whole thing if you want with the foam insert. Now let's compare the fuselage to the Phoenix V2. I think it's a little bit longer. So I've got the larger hole, the 23 centimetre mount hole there, and looks like it is about 2.5 inches longer in the tail, and it has this lead up into the tail as well. Yeah, so that's taken from the Ranger 2400, but in the tractor prop setup rather than the pusher. Now have a look inside. Have the Fpv mount if you want such a thing. The same battery tray there, ESC underneath, receiver tray there, and the foam wheel arch in there. So this is looking very nice indeed. I think it's going to be at least equal to the, and if not a lot better than the Phoenix Evolution, but proof will be in the flying. We have plastic hinges on the ailerons and the flaps. CG marks are at 70 millimetres back from the leading edge. Now I saw on RC groups that that was different to the recommended centre of gravity. Let's just have a look. Yeah, that's interesting. So recommended centre of gravity is 77 plus or minus 5. I think I found with the Phoenix V2 that I was putting the CG a good 15 millimeters back from there to 85 millimeters back. I found it glided better at that position there, so it'll be interesting to test this out and find out where the best CG is. We've got an XT60 plug there. Alright, so that'll about do it for this video. I know you're busting to see what it looks like, what the measurements are, and that sort of stuff. So I'll quickly put it together and we'll take it out for a fly as soon as we can. Thanks for watching. Hey.